I'd like to see this D period come up into this highlighted area that I have right here. You have the VWAP coming through here. We're just kind of stepping down, but I'm not really expecting big things on the downside. This is another low from 28th. This is obviously the low from yesterday. And it seems like we're bouncing off the the weekly value area low right here. I keep thinking at some point we're going to get a run back up to here, but I was in this C period, only made it down to here, I think. And then eventually, I got out of this, but eventually it did make it all the way down to here. So I think about 62.25, 62. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. That puts us in. Got 62.25 on both of those. You can see they bought this right at half pack. I'm going to want to watch this overnight low, see if they buy this again. My ultimate target would basically be this POC down here. And front run that just a little bit at, let's say, 625. We can leave another one down here just to see if we get any extension on that, but I'm not really looking for it. Even if you put it down here at the value area low, 54. We have one target at 625 right there. We have another target down here at 425. We don't really want to see it come up over C period. I got a feeling if they do that, they're going to try and get A and or B and A also. So we need to see them break this D low right here, obviously, and then we'll want to watch this area. It's 24 on the first one, 32 on the second one. If we happen to get some extension down here. This grinds around too much, I'll get out of this and see if I can get it a little bit higher. Like I said, at some point, I think they're going to want to take out these highs. I really want to see them break this D low to make me feel like they're going to even try to go lower. Ooh, there we go. I think we better bring this down just in case we get some whiplash to the upside, protect us a little bit. Because they did hit this overnight low, and we got all bounce off that. So we need to follow through now. I didn't see the price movement there, so makes me a little uneasy as far as how did it, all I know is it slammed down here and bounced off it, so makes me a little unsure. So I think it makes sense to be a little cautious at this point. That 20 ticks is right in here, 57.25. That's the 20 ticks. At some point, this is what it will look like if it's trying to turn around, how this D period come down, and then the next one will come down a little less, and the next one will come down a little less. So I need to get some extension on this D period. If we get down under this overnight low, I might even bring a stop down just to protect one of those. Okay, we're finally getting some movement down. See if we get any extension on this. Should take us right to our target if it does. 58.50 is that overnight low. We're going to take that first one right there. $58.50 is that overnight low. Just jumping around too much and making me not feel comfortable that it's going to extend. But what we can do is turn these off. You take one at this POC. There, I'm more comfortable with that. If you enjoy these videos, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe if you want to see future videos of how I trade market profile and volume profile. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I took out our last one there. Then you want to flatten this because I altered these manually so they don't disappear. So I think we got 3 of them right around here, around 20. And that last one was here at the overnight low. I just was not confident that this was going to make it any farther. And like I was saying earlier, if this is going to turn around, 'cause I don't really think we're going lower, at this point. So if this is going to turn around, this is what that would look like. You'd have your D right here. It's as far as it would go. And then you'd move up. And maybe your next period would only come to here or to this overnight low. And then they would break these highs. Because to me, it looks like we're just ranging in that 4H volume profile, the weekly volume profile.